Hello everyone. You know that in a real life, if you are working, then always have some kind of condition. So here we will learn the one of condition which is very important in if you are working as a data science or data analyst or as a MIS. So the important condition is if condition we are going to learn here. And the data source I am taking Excel data we have, and let's move to the lab. So going to up import pandas as pd, and then I'm just going to show you the sample condition, and then we will import the data from Excel, and I will show you how to work on that with the condition. Okay, so here just for a sample I'm taking a as a variable and I have 25. Okay, and then I'm applying a if condition. If a greater than, before I apply up if condition, I'm just writing a comment here. Apply if a greater than 20, then adult. Okay, so if equal to a equal to 20, a greater than, sorry, 20, then semicolon, apply here, print adult. Okay, that's it. So this is very simple question, simple, and we have the answer adult, you can see here. And now I'm going to import the data. And okay, before I go to the import, just apply the else as well. Else, what I need here is print print dash. Okay, and I'm going to update here 15. Okay, run. There is a error column. Okay, so I'm getting my answer dos, which is 15 is greater than less than 20, but it is, we have a condition 15 is greater than 20, that's why it's false. Now going to import Excel data. Impo, uh, import Excel data. Okay, so for that, data equal to, so what we have here, Excel file. So pd dot, sorry, pd dot read Excel. Okay, this is the condition to get the data from Excel. Let me show you the file, what kind of file I have here. So in the file we have a name, age and salary. Okay, so just going to import this data into the Python. Just right click here, copy as a Python. Okay, and then so type R, the left side here, R, and remove this one, and then enter. Okay, and then just print data. Okay, data equal to this. So what are the error we are getting here? Print function those. Okay, line 11. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, now it should be done. Yes, we can see here. Next, I'm going to apply the salary. Apply the condition on salary. So apply the so here we have to apply the condition if greater than 20,000 then highest else lowest. So what we have to do, we have to define the function here because the data salary column we have many cells like 20,000 we need to apply the condition here, and also in the column 30,000 and so on, so 45,000 and 4,000. So for each and every cell we need to define function here to apply the condition. So I am defining here the condition. Okay, def is the keyword, and then any name you can function name. So I am updating here salary new. Okay, so this is just you can update anything whatever you want, and then I need to apply this condition on salary. Okay, then I need to I'm updating a column. Okay, and we have to update if what is the condition we have here, salary salary greater than 20,000 20,000 colon enter. What we need to return highest. um, yes, highest. Okay, and this s is not in capital. I'm just going to update the capital S, and then we need a output here. We need another concept else we have here, and then return what return we need, lowest. Okay, and then print we need to create a one column where we can see the condition. So column name print, sorry, not a print, I am creating a new column. Yeah, any column name like what I can update, condition. For my case I am updating a condition here, equal to I need to apply that condition on a data salary. Okay, salary column. So I am updating like this dot, we have a apply to each cell. Okay, apply, and what are the condition we have defined here, the salary in a function. So salary function, salary new, I will call it salary new, and now I will print the data, print data, print open bracket data. Okay, and just go here and run. So your result is here, you can see the name is salary, condition is highest lowest highest, and the employee which has 4,000 salary is the lowest condition. You can see here the and we are successful, it is run. Now just what I am going to do, I am going to print here some space between all both the result, print uh, anything you can update whatever you want. mm, okay, what we have here, star. Okay, and next going to print here. So you can see here this is one the old one, and now we have a condition, the second condition, second condition. Okay, you can see here second condition. Now we have a one more query, if the salary is greater the second condition, if we need to apply the three condition, if we have like if the salary is greater than, apply if the salary is greater than 15,000, then lowest, sorry, medium and greater than 30, then highest, else lowest. Okay, so greater than and equal, equal and highest. What I'm writing here. So if the salary is greater than 15,000, then and equal 15,000, then medium if that's greater than and equal 30,000, then highest is lowest. Okay, so you got what are the question we have. Now we have here def, we need to define a function, and now I will enter here a new function name a, just a function we have here, and where we need to apply the condition salary. Okay, enter, we have if condition, apply here if salary greater than, salary is greater than and equal 30,000. Okay, column, I have not updated column here, column, and then return, what are the return we need, highest. Okay, and then what we need, else if, okay, sorry, not like this, we need to else, el, ill if, not else if. So here we have a salary, salary, so greater than and equal to, greater than and equal to 15k, 15,000, and what we have to return, return, return the medium salary, medium. Okay, and then enter, sorry, and then else part we have here, return lowest. Okay, so we have created the function here. Now what we have to do, we have to create a column. So we have a data. Okay, data column name should be b, okay, equal to data on salary, data condition salary. Okay, so column name is salary dot apply on each function. So function name we have a. Okay, now print this data, print here. So you can see column name is b and highest lowest. And yes, so we have a result, our result whatever the question. Now I believe you to know that how to apply the if condition on Excel file. That's all for this video. Thank you.